Welcome back. Let us solve compound inequality. Our goal is to isolate x. Therefore, -7, -7, -7. Subtract 7, eliminate is 7. Let's rewrite -2x. This gives us 2. This gives us -8. We're going to divide by -2. Each of this term divided by -2. Now, x is being isolated now. And this is -1. This is a +4. Remember earlier we talked about if you multiply or divide by a negative number, the open of this symbol is going to change. Therefore, we're going to change it. All right? And if you want, you can rewrite this as -1 less than x less than 4. And then when you graph it, make sure you use open circle. Okay, let's look at our next problem. Same idea. We want to isolate t. Therefore, add 5, add 5, add 5. Now, we have 2t. Copy down the rest. -1, and this gives us 2. We're going to divide by a positive number. Therefore, we don't change the open of the symbol. Keep it as it is. Now, t is less than equals 1, greater equals -1/2. When you graph it on the number line, make sure you use closed circle because it has equal sign here. All right, this is part 1. Please come here. Look at part 2. You're going to have a different type of compound inequality problem.